Alright, this will be sets, 19 and 20 for the rifles. Alright, so we just threw our triple, caught, whether you catch on 3 or 3 and depending on how you count it. We're going to just hold, count 4, cradle 5, quarter bra 6, 7, 8. Okay, so out, catch, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to cross on 1 with our left foot, 1, chasse to the right, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so quarter bra, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross left, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to bring the arms down and around, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're facing the end zone. Pull it out of cradle, flip and catch. So out of cradle, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, third up, fourth, cradle, 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We're grabbing thumb down with the left hand, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm actually going to catch in a dip. So 21, 22, 23, 24. And then we'll actually throw another triple on set 28. Okay, so another triple. So after we threw our first triple, and we held 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, up 12, third up 4, fifth up 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Alright, again that was sets 19 and 20.